All right, everybody. Good morning. It's 8:30. I literally just got here. Let's see how the markets are moving. Let's go Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Yes. Let's start off with the daily. Moving like dog shit. Uh, let's get disrespectful. Let's get disrespectful. This volatility is from news. We have a daily S&T. I mean, there's no wick on this candle, so you can pick one. This one looks a little bit better. Oh, but we have equal highs of it. I don't know. But I am going to mark this as an SMT. Scaling, 4 hour. What do we have? That's disrespectful. Yeah, I could mark out the SMT pretty nicely in the 4 hour. SMT, SMT. My NQ swept out these highs, ES hasn't. We do have a 4 hour bullish gap, however. But, yesterday's candle closure is kind of telling me that we might want to go lower. So I'm not gonna lie, just looking based off of this, I'm not gonna lie, I think NQ, or I think I'm gonna want to be bearish on NQ. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I think I want to be bearish. We have this, um, we have that hourly fair value gap. Asian opened up, manipulated higher, created an SMT, came lower, traded within this hourly fair value. Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna lie. I want to be bearish. Those are all levels that you target. Let's get disrespectful. Did I mark this one? I did, even though they're kind of close. So I want to be bearish. You have an hourly fair value gap. Change in the state might happen in 2 minutes, and then look for an entry. And then bam, shit. I might place a trade and right at 8:30. I won't be able to take it on here because I only have like 200 bucks to fucking drawdown. But on Apex, and on Apex, I'll take this. This looks kind of real. This looks actually really nice for shorts. Let's look at how gold's doing. Maybe gold is in the same position. So on NQ guys, bearish. Now here we swept down. Gold's right there. Gold might be bullish. Tapped into this daily order block. 4 hour. We have these 4 hour highs. We did. Oh, that's not. I thought that was a gap. Now 2 o'clock opened up, came down, traded within this fair value gap, swept it out as well. Yeah, so I'm not gonna lie on gold, I want to be bullish. Changing the state would be right here. I'm not gonna lie, I want to be bullish. We did tap into this low 15 minute though. Let me just mark out as it mark out the liquidity sweep. Not gonna lie, bullish on gold, bearish on NQ. Alright guys, I'm starting this because I took a trade on gold, but You know, one thing that I don't necessarily like is that we created equal lows here. Like I don't like if you really look, we didn't technically like if you look this low is 41.2, 41.2. They're the exact same. So we created equal lows. Like I might flatten this and wait. Because I really let me see how NQ's doing. You could enter short on NQ. Sell one. Um I wanna sell 5 minute, 3 minute, 2 minute, 1 minute. Why is it rejected? Maybe I lost the account. Who knows? Let me see. I lost $8 there. 47,550. I don't know why it won't let me place the trade. Um, Let me mark out open on this. Oh, I had my drawings hidden. Like I really wish I should have got in here, but I didn't think we tapped it. I mean, we created equal lows. I'm debating on closing this to see if we end up coming down and tapping it. I won't close it, but what I'll do is maybe I'll do this. Well, I'm gonna wait to see how this candle closes. I'm not gonna lie, I think I am. Because I don't like how we created equal lows there. And losing 32 bucks is like nothing. Alright, that's the gold trade. Because we might come back down and tap this bullish gap. I'm not gonna hold that because that'll be like 4 points of drawdown. But that's the gold. Or that's the trade on gold. For some reason, it won't let me enter on Apex. Maybe I lost the account. I don't fucking know. But I'm gonna come back when this trade's over. Everybody, quick little recap. Uh, why I don't know if I can open that or click that. Um, what? Oh, because I closed the computer. I didn't need to. I didn't need to do that. Anyway, so we're up 556 on all the accounts. I took a trade on Nasdaq. I'm not gonna lie, because it gave me a beautiful setup. And if you look, I haven't actually looked at gold in a hot minute. Oh, we seem to be actually moving nicely around here. Fine. Let me see. Mm, see. I would have looked for longs around here. One 130-ish, one whatever. This is when Trump was speaking. Um, Honestly, this is in hindsight because I mean, it worked out nicely, but you could have longed here. Realistically, your stop should have been. I actually probably would have put my stop a little bit below this. I probably would have put it there, right? Actually, if you're taking this on the 3 minute, you could do that. And then, I mean, this was it worked out pretty nicely. But I mean, I was looking for a gold trade here, uh, like here, and I really wasn't liking price action, so I stopped looking at it. I was on Nasdaq and I saw that we had some bullshit going on. We had this 5 minute fair value gap which we created and respected. So that's like, all right, let me see how longs are looking. Nothing on the 3 minute necessarily, besides respecting the fair value gap. 2 minute, okay, we have this inverse, or we have this bearish gap, and we inversed it and traded back within it. So I actually ended up getting filled like around there. I'm not gonna lie. Had my stops below here, and I didn't ride this all the way out. Um, but I sold. So I sold the gold trade for. It was basically break even. Like if you remember the gold trade from the beginning of the video, I got stopped out basically at break even for maybe it was like $20 or something. And then I saw this happen on Nasdaq, and I was like, I gotta take this. So I went in with lighter size. I think I went in with like 10, and I only targeted like fucking 25 points. Um, it went up a lot higher, but I just wanted to lock in profit. I think I sold. Yeah, I sold like around here. Six. So I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really expect price to go up this high because my bias was bearish, but I guess I was wrong. Um, we kind of have been moving kind of like shit. I think because the move has happened already. Like we took out, I mean it's 2:30. We took out these 4 hour highs, and actually we disrespected it. Yeah, we did disrespect. We had a buy closure above. So tomorrow for Friday, I'm not gonna lie, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. But this account, 1250, I think. Yeah, 12. I'm gonna make sure when I stop recording. But 1250, I'm gonna get charged for a rebill this Saturday. So I'm gonna gamble this account basically and see if I can make the max amount. Um, I'm gonna see if I can make the max amount because I'm gonna get fucking rebuild anyway. So it doesn't matter if I fail it. I'm gonna be honest. But these other two accounts, I'm done. We're at 500, and it's at 5361. So sometime next week, maybe, hopefully, I'll pass these accounts. Hopefully, sometime this week, and then hopefully by the end of the month, I can get a payout, and then I could start March, um, with an Express account. But we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys later for a recap. Gambling basically goes. All right, everybody. Um, just a quick recap. I don't think I made anything. I actually lost money. I made like I don't know. This was at like 640. I took longs here, stopped out break even or a little bit for a loss. Actually, how much was it? 70, 50? But I'm just gonna call it a day because anything. Jesus, what the fuck? Anything like if I keep going, it's straight gambling. So I'm gonna call it. So that was today. It was a win. Um, I'm actually gonna start trading Nasdaq now because I actually have $750 of wiggle room where I could play to an actual like MNQ trade and like say I'm on practice and I'll do 10. Well, no, I'll probably do 15. So, but I long right, and then like let's just say like a 15-point stop loss. A 15-point stop loss is 450, but I just won't be wrong. And then I'll target like 50 points. Like this is something very plausible, like could happen. Like this is some calm shit. We'll just let this play out. So I'm gonna be going back to NQ because NQ's price action today was fucking nice. This is the first day this week of nice price action on NQ. Gold, gold wasn't bad in the. Oh, see here, this is bad. But like the move happened in gold here. It happened right here. But NQ right from the get go, actually, besides the first like 20 minutes. Yeah, 20 minutes. Right when the macro hit, we had very nice price action all throughout here. Um, so we're gonna go back to NQ. Tomorrow we have uh, retail sales at 8:30, and it's a Friday, so we'll see how price goes. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow.